Let's see how we can customize units, grids, and guide behaviors. You'll notice that out of the box, InDesign's measurement system is in picas. Today, most people are familiar with inches and centimeters, so let's change our ruler units to more conventional units. You'll see that there are many choices here, including inches, millimeters, centimeters, and, new to InDesign CS5, pixels. You can also set custom units if you choose. For now, I'm going to choose inches. We'll set the same for the vertical measurement. We can leave the units for text and for stroke widths in points, as most people are familiar with text and stroke widths as measured in points. You can also change your keyboard increments here. Right now, a single click on an arrow key is going to move your cursor by 1 point. You could make that smaller or larger to your preference. If you use baseline or document grids, then you can reveal them and change their colors. You can also change whether they're relative to the top of the page or to the top of the margin. You can also set the increment for that grid there. By default, grids are in the background, just like we used to use the blue ruled up paper when we were composing with wax way back in the Stone Age. We have a number of guides on our InDesign pages, and these can be revealed or hidden according to taste. These are the default colors for those specific guides. However, if you have trouble seeing any of these colors, you may want to choose different colors. For instance, if you can't see red very well, you may want to change that bleed rule to something less red. Perhaps something like grass green. Now it's going to show up in that color. But maybe that's confusing with the grid green. In that case, you'd want to change the smart guides to a different color as well. Perhaps we want to change it to burgundy. You can also enable or disable smart guide choices here. Smart guides, as we'll discover in another chapter, allow us to align content very easily to existing content on our pages. You can choose to enable or disable the smart guides by selecting or deselecting these checkboxes here.